Hey, quick question. How old are you right now? 20, 30, 50? Doesn't matter. Here's the scary part. If you're lucky, you've got about 4,000 weeks to live. 4,000 weeks. Sounds like a lot. Well, let me ruin your day. That's nothing. And yet, here we are spending hours arguing about pineapple on pizza. It's a crime, by the way. Or binge watching a show we don't even like. What are we doing? Life is short. Like, really short. So why are we treating it like an endless buffet where we can just keep piling junk on our plates? Stick around, because in a minute I'll show you one shift that completely changed how I spend my time. And it might do the same for you. Think about yesterday. How much of it did you actually live? Not just existed, lived. Were you scrolling mindlessly? Stressing over things that won't matter in a year? Waiting for someday to start that thing you love? Here's the truth. Life isn't just passing you by. It's sprinting, and you're stuck in a debate over whether to wear socks with sandals. Spoiler, don't. You know what's the biggest lie we tell ourselves? One day I'll travel. One day I'll learn guitar. One day I'll call that old friend. Meanwhile, one day is slowly turning into never. Imagine this. You're holding a jar full of marbles. Each marble is a week of your life. Every Saturday you take one out and throw it away. Poof, gone. How many marbles are you willing to waste on things that don't matter? Time is the only currency you can't earn back. You wouldn't throw cash out the window, right? So why throw away time? Here's how to spend it wisely. Cut the someday nonsense. That thing you've been putting off? Do it now, not next year. Not when you're ready. Want to write a book? Write a terrible first page today? Want to start a business? Sell something dumb on eBay. Just start. Stop feeding time vampires. You know what sucks the life out of you? Things that give nothing back. Endless scrolling, toxic people, overthinking. Your brain isn't a conspiracy theory hotline. Hang up. Collect moments, not things. You won't remember your 10th pair of shoes on your deathbed, but you will remember that road trip where your car broke down, the time you danced like nobody was watching, even though they were, the meal you shared with someone you love. Imagine your future grandkids going through your stuff. What will they find? Wow, Grandpa really loved arguing in YouTube comments. Grandma had 300 unread emails and a Netflix queue longer than her life goals. Don't let your legacy be expert at avoiding life. Here's the deal. You don't get a time refund. That thing you're waiting for, it's not coming. You have to go get it. So ask yourself, if today were your last, would you be happy with how you spent it? Are you living or just waiting to live? And by the way, in just a few seconds, I'll give you a small challenge that might shift how you spend the rest of your day. So put down the phone. Call that person, book that trip, start that thing. Now. Not because you have to, but because you deserve to live before life runs out. Here's your challenge. Pick one thing you've been putting off and take the first step today. One small action, just start. And if this hits something inside you, give this video a like, subscribe for more, and click the next video YouTube recommends. It might just be exactly what you need to hear next. See you there.